So welcome back to the channel, Life with BG. This is my next load going to Ohio from Lawrenceville, Georgia. Load paying 1,800, I think it was 550 miles. So this is the start of my new week after completing my week from last week. My week ends on Thursday, and then start again on Thursday. So I ended my week, like I said, I grossed $10,300. And so at the start, this is the start of my new week. So I like to try to be around 4 or 5 grand gross by Monday. Anywhere from 4 to 6. 4 to 6,000 gross by Monday. And that way I'll be on track to grossing maybe anywhere from 8 to 10, 8 to 11,000 in the week while the rates are up right now. So now I'm just about to strap it on down. Some building construction equipment or something. I don't know what it's for. It's on weigh 19,000 pounds. I'm about to get ready to strap it. Those 2 straps across this first one. 1 strap across the other ones in the middle, and two straps on each one's on the end, and I'm out of here. I'm out of here, 5,000. Back, I had to go missing a little bit. Get the other side, get my edge protectors. Oh, you know what? I thought this was sharp. There's some sharp, you put these on there so it won't cut your straps, but it's not sharp, it's flush. So I don't even need them. I don't need them. I don't need the edge protectors. Should have got up there and looked first. It's all good. So all my straps are thrown across. So hook it to the rack. Pull the slack out the chair. Slack out the strap. And tighten it. Tighten the strap down. Secure the load. And we out of here, man. Take that long. Okay. Pull the strap up. Had to go take me a shower early because I didn't take one yesterday. I'm out here stink body. I like to take a shower every day because be out here sweating. Plus you should want to take a shower every day anyway. Just feel better once you get out the shower. Feels better. Feel clean and refreshed. You know? Just want to make sure it don't come off the trailer. That's the whole goal. You don't want those problems. Insurance claims. Just dealing with DOT. And you don't want to damage the stuff. going nowhere. Not going nowhere, Jack. It's not going nowhere. Man, I ran so many loads, I would have had hundreds of videos up by now on YouTube. Showing new drivers if they want to do flatbed. I prefer flatbed out of everything I've done. Yeah, it's hot, you work in all type of weather conditions, but I like it better. You get to get out the truck. It's not for the lazy though. I'll tell you that much. It is not for the lazy. For sure. Let's sit the camera. Sit it down. I do these. And tie down a couple more over there. We're good. Tie down 3 more straps on that side. And we're good. I meant to put these roll the straps up and put them through here though. I got some zip ties. Sometimes zip tie them back to it. But I think I'll go this route this time. I think I'll go this route this time. You know? Right? So I got 3 more straps to tie down on the other side, and I'm done. Take a picture of the load for proof in case anything happens. And then I'll try to get me a load paying a minimum of $2,200 coming from Ohio back down south. I normally come home with something on my back, come home back to Atlanta with something, then leave out on Sunday. Unless it delivers close to Atlanta, then I'll just stay till Monday. If it's delivering in Atlanta, I'll stay till Monday. If it delivers anywhere 2-3 hours out, I'll still leave on Sunday I just leave later Sunday evening. You know, the further the drive, the earlier I leave on Sunday. And that's how you keep the wheels turning and keep earning the money. So minimum, like I said, minimum looking for a load. I want to get a load at least paying $2,200. That way I'll be at $4,000 by Monday. Hopefully I can get one paying $3,000, $3,500. That way I can be around upwards of $5,000 by Monday. That way I can have a good gross, because my birthday is next Friday, the 13th. So if I can gross a $9,000, it'd be cool. It's a good birthday gift. Anyway, holler at y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll keep posting, keep showing y'all what I do every day. Day-to-day basis, what the loads pay. So you can get out here, get you some money, change your life. Start getting the nice things that you want out of life. Cars, clothes, shoes, travel, house, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, jet skis, all that good stuff like that. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Keep posting. The more stuff I get, more entertaining it'll be. That's what I'm working on, getting everything right now. All that stuff I just named. Still the process. Still working on my credit too. So holla at y'all at the next video. The next load. Start showing y'all the real big one loads, like I should have been doing. Anyway, I'm out.